Calling it essential but still not enough, President Barack Obama signed legislation Thursday designed to give the nation a jobs boost.
So this tax cut says to employers, if you hire a worker who's unemployed, you won't have to pay payroll taxes on that worker for the rest of the year. And businesses that move quickly to hire today will get a bigger tax credit than businesses that wait until later this year.
For small businesses on the fence about whether to hire new workers, the president says this jobs bill should make the decision much easier. But here at Calwood Flooring Supply, Vice President Robert Tillman says not so. He says despite the new tax breaks, he still can't afford to add any new employees to his staff of 20.
At least in the construction industry where we supply, I don't know if it's going to make a huge difference, until people start, rebuilding houses and all of those, companies that we serve, and their clients start getting the cycle going. I don't think it's going to make that big of a difference.
Jim McHale is a CPA. He's doing taxes for several small businesses and has done the math. He says the jobs bill likely won't make a difference in the numbers.
It's going to cost someone $20,000. It's a trade-off. We hire an employee for $20,000. We're going to ultimately get $1,000 tax credit. It doesn't seem a real balance there.
At best, the tax breaks would generate 250,000 jobs by year's end. That's only a tiny portion of the 8.4 million jobs the economy has shed since the recession began more than 2 years ago. Ross Simpson, The Associated Press.